Here we are once again on location. We're in the Western Cape in Graanen-Daal. We're on a site that's busy just having the final touches done to a Fin-Oak floor. Peter van der Linde, it's his installation team who have come along and are installing Fin-Oak. But I think we really need to get Peter van der Linde to talk about the product because he's their installer on site.
I'm Piet van der Linde. I've been in construction now for about 20 years. Started my own business in flooring. First I started to install laminate flooring, and then eventually I started to focus on engineered flooring. In this house I've installed Fin-Oak, Winterberg, 50mm click, and I must say I'm very excited about the finish of the floor. It was a chosen product. First of all, because of a good price. Secondly, because we did a floating installation and we didn't have to glue down the floor. We didn't have to do a screed. We just sat with the option after checking the levels that it was absolutely adequate to do a floating installation. The family had to still live inside the house, and it made it very easy to do it together with them inside the house. They could immediately walk on the floor and no problems at all. So we just applied the underlay and started to lay the floor, and hassle-free, absolutely. It was pre-finished, didn't need to sand it, so no dust at all was involved with the family, and it was just an easy, absolutely easy job for us. If you install a TNG floor, it really needs to be extremely well engineered to be hassle-free, because you can have a tongue and groove, and if it's not engineered properly, you're going to sit with the problem. It's going to bend, it's going to warp, it's going to do this, and you're going to have to do a good installation with that. It's going to be time consuming. But the minute that we installed this floor with the click system, the click system helped the floor to click, and you don't sit with an engineered problem. You don't sit with gaps that you need to struggle to get closed up and stuff like that. So a very good quality from the Fin floor is the click system, and it absolutely saves us a lot of time. My first installation of the Fin-Oak that I've done, and I must say from start off I was really satisfied with customer service. The rep was very helpful. The information came through very quickly, and the Fin-Oak is a pre-finished floor. It's UV coated, and it makes it really easy for the clients to clean the floors. It's maintenance free. We gave them the right cleaners, and with that, it's a hassle-free floor that we've installed for them, and it makes me happy to give something to the client and say, listen, that's a hassle-free product that you've purchased, and we did a good installation with it, and I'm happy about the job. And that's what it's all about for me. My client does investments. His knowledge is not about wood, it's about money. And that's where a good installer comes in. I represent the product and I represent the workmanship. It's extremely important that I work with clients and advise them to use products that will last. In this case, I'm quite satisfied about the Fin-Oak. It's got multi-layers. It's been properly done. It's got the right glues from Germany. It's a good quality floor. I feel very confident about the installation and about the product, that I'm leaving this job now to the client, handing it over, and the client is going to be happy for many years regarding this floor.
Thank you for watching our video. We really do appreciate your support. If you want to see more of this kind of content, please hit the bell, subscribe, do all that kind of thing. The more followers we can get, the more content we can create.